I'm excited. It's time for the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta again. I've been waiting for this. I thought that it might be at the beginning of March, but I've just been patiently waiting for whenever Ulta is going to do their 21 Days of Beauty, and the time has come. If you are new here, hi, my name is Hannah, and I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I have looked through the different 21 days, and I'm going to highlight specific ones that I would highly recommend to you guys and the ones that I'm most excited about. So if you want to see the finds that I'm most excited about, make sure you keep on watching. If my voice sounds a little weird throughout this, it's because I've just been having allergy problems lately, and I should have had some hot tea before this. Maybe that would have helped the situation, but we're already here, we're filming. So yeah, hopefully it won't be too bad or too distracting. I'm going to put on the screen the specific, item that I'm going to highlight, so you can also kind of, hopefully that helps you out that way too. The first thing that I am excited to mention is that March 21st, which I believe is a Saturday, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is on sale for $13.50. That is, these steals that I'm going to be mentioning are 50% off. Each week though, they do have different ones that are on sale, a different percentage off as well. Obviously, I will leave Ulta's website linked down below, specifically the 21 Days of Beauty page I'm going to try to do. You can, look through that and see if there's different finds that you might be more interested in as well. But March 21st, Tarte Shape Tape, mark it on your calendars. I'm excited. I know my mom's excited. She's gonna get her another Tarte Shape Tape as well. I highly recommend that concealer. It is the concealer that I use to cover up my dark circles. I have really, really bad dark circles, and I think it does a pretty good job at covering it up. So yeah, March 21st, let me say it again. Tarte Shape Tape, 50% off. Highly, highly recommend it. I thought it would be helpful for me to show you the products that I do have, so you can also get a visual of what the item looks like. So I just went and got my Tarte Shape Tape. This is what it looks like. Now moving on. The next day, March 22nd, I'm also really excited because the 2-pack of the brush heads by Clarisonic are on sale for 50% off. I have used the Clarisonic for I think about 2 years now. I feel like that's right, but then I don't feel like that's right, but then I feel like that's right. Either way, I'm definitely excited to get those because I use my brush head for 3 months. That's what they recommend. At the end of March, I will need a new brush head. That's what I'm trying to say. So, and also if you get the 2-pack, it is you save money that way rather than just buying them individually, and they will be 50% off. So the brush heads specifically on that day, a 2-pack will be $22 to $24.50, which I am pretty sure that is cheaper than buying one brush head. So yeah, really excited about that deal. And I also want to mention that to you guys if you use the Clarisonic Mia as well. Later on in that week, the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Moisturizer is on sale for $12.50. Normally it's $25. I've had this one for a while. I just brought this in to show you. I'm not going to pick this up because I do have a decent amount of this left. I know it looks like it's low, but this will last me for a long time. And I also have a Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer that I've been using up. That's why I actually haven't used this for a little while, because I've been using the Kate Somerville one. So I don't need a moisturizer for, a decent amount of time, so I'm not going to pick up this, but I do highly recommend it. I think it's very gentle, and especially for my oily skin, I also like it because it's pretty lightweight as well. And $12.50 for that is a great deal. Philosophy is another great skincare brand, so I do really highly recommend that you check that out if you need a new moisturizer. It doesn't have SPF in it, so I just use that one at night, but if you have like a separate sunscreen or whatever, obviously you can use it during the day as well. You guys, the next day, the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is on sale for 50% off. The IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is on sale for $12.50. I believe it's normally $25, so I think that one's on sale for $12.50. This is my favorite mascara, and I'm almost hesitant to say that because I haven't used it in a while, because I've been using other mascaras, because I'm finding out that I really like mascaras, which I already knew that. I really like mascaras. I like testing out mascaras, and I like to find how I can get my lashes as voluminous as possible. And with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, I find that it makes my lashes look like I have false lashes. This is the travel size of the mascara. But yeah, the tube just looks like this, and then obviously full size will be larger. I got this as part of my Christmas present from one of my friends. Super thankful for that. What I found though is it works the best for me after using it for a week or two, because at the beginning it's almost too wet. It's still a really, really good mascara, don't get me wrong, but if you don't think it's like absolutely amazing the first time you use it, give it time. I can get crazy great volume, and I think that my lashes, like I said before, I think it really does look like I'm wearing false lashes. I am not going to get that. I was looking through the magazine, the sales paper last night, determining what I was going to get, and I don't think I'm going to get that, only because let me show you the other unopened mascaras that I have. I have a full size of the Lancome Monsieur Big, full size of the Tarte Maneater mascara, full size of the Tarte Surfer Curl mascara. Those are unopened. So that is 3 full-size unopened mascaras, 1 travel size unopened mascara, and then I still have the Smashbox Superfan mascara that I'm using and the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara that I'm using. That alone, I just don't think that I can justify buying another mascara this time, because I need to be able to use the mascara. Like, I'm not gonna waste it, so unfortunately, I'm not gonna get another one. But you guys, if you've been wanting to try it out, now's your time. On March 27th, highly recommend that you check it out. The next thing that I have to mention is on March 29th, the powder foundation brushes from IT Cosmetics are on sale. I don't think the one that I'm using, that I used to apply my foundation, is for powder foundation, but I did want to mention that because I do use an IT Brushes for Ulta brush to apply my foundation, and I've used it for years and I really like it. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys. They're on sale for $12 to $20 because it's 50% off. Later on in the week, April 3rd, the Urban Decay Reloaded, it's the Naked Reloaded eyeshadow palette, is on sale for $22. It's 50% off, so normally it's $44. I do not have that specific one, but I did want to mention that. I have found some Urban Decay Naked palettes to be better than the others, so you might want to kind of test the formula if you have an Ulta nearby. Maybe kind of do some swatches in store, see if that would work out good for you, because I can't vouch for that specific one, but I know I borrowed the Naked Honey eyeshadow palette and I was really blown away. I thought that the formula for that eyeshadow was pretty good, especially the shimmery shades. And I remember, from what I remember, the matte shades blended pretty well as well. It's been a little while since I've borrowed that, but I did want to mention that to you guys. If you've been having your eye on the Naked Reloaded palette, you might want to pick it up on that day. And then April 4th, the last day of 21 Days of Beauty, is the best day in my opinion, because the Tarte Maneater mascara is on sale. The Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum is on sale, and the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel is on sale. Let's talk about each one individually, because I just breezed on by that, but these are all really exciting products that need to be specifically mentioned. The first thing that I mentioned was the Tarte Maneater mascara is on sale for 50% off. It's on sale for $11.50, a really good deal. As you can see, I have an unopened full-size version of this, so therefore I will not be buying that on April 4th, but the Tarte Maneater mascara is also another really good one. And honestly, and that's another one that I found that works really well after using it for a week or two. I think that my lashes might be longer with the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara, but the Maneater mascara does give really good volume and length as well. The IT Cosmetics one does really good volume as well. But if for some reason the IT Cosmetics one does not work out for you, or you want to try the Tarte Maneater one instead, or you want to get both, clearly I'm not going to judge based on my unopened mascaras that I have. I do really recommend the Tarte Maneater mascara as well. Then the next thing I want to mention is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum is on sale for $19.50. I have not bought this before, but I have heard about it before. I remember specifically it was in a BoxyCharm. I didn't get that BoxyCharm, but also, like, if I did get the BoxyCharm, it's likely that I wouldn't get the serum. But regardless, I remember that it was in a BoxyCharm. That's the first time that I heard about it. And I've been wanting to try this out. I did debate for a second to get it or not, but like, let's be honest, I love skincare, and I have been using a Dr. Jart serum that I got a little like sample size of if using Sephora points, and that little serum has lasted me for a while, like I think at least around 3 months, and I still have some to go because I don't use it every morning, but whenever I do use it, I use it in the mornings, and that has lasted a really long time, and I think it has helped my skin. I've also done other things like diet change and different skincare, so I can't necessarily say it's that one specific product, but I do think that it's helped. But full size, I believe that product is $59, and I just cannot justify that purchase at this point, especially since the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum is going to be going on sale, and I've been wanting to try that out. So I am probably, I don't want to say I'm most excited about that, because like, let's be real, I'm really excited about getting the Tarte Shape Tape 50% off. But I'm really excited about trying that out because I haven't tried it before. It's 50% off, so I am really, really excited about getting that. Then lastly, the Benefit Gimme Brow is on sale for $12. This is the one that I've been using for a while. The, you know, writing on the outside has been rubbed off. I've been using this for a while. I thought I had a backup because I thought I bought two the last time this was on sale, but I was looking in my makeup, like where I keep my unopened makeup, and I did not see it. I'll look more. I have, you know, a while to figure out if I want to purchase another one or not, considering it isn't on sale until April 4th. But I do want to mention that I'm pretty sure my mom is going to be buying one of these, which I'm excited for her to try out. Hopefully that does great things for her brows as well. I've been using this brow gel for a while and I really like it. So if I don't have a backup, I will be purchasing one of those. But even if I don't, I also wanted to mention it to you guys because I do recommend the brow gel. What are you most excited about from the 21 Days of Beauty? Please let me know in the comments down below. If you can't tell, I love makeup and I love skincare. If you liked this video, I think you'll also really like this video right here. Make sure you click right here to check that out. Once again, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.